to start with, I don't have this really prepared. This morning, someone named Ollie asked me to do a live talk. So, I wrote this article and he knew it. So I said, hey, let's do it, whatever. What can go wrong? So we already talked with Richard about one of the things that Meteor 1.3 will include, that it's NPM support for NPM packages. And I think that this is a really, really, really big improvement in Meteor, like amazing. Basically, I will show you how to use it. I have this Medium post named Meteor meets NPM. So to test with 1.3 that is not released yet, we need to put this in the console, and it will take like 1 minute, and it will update. And that, basically what it does, it takes the node modules folder with the NPM packages and you can use them from anywhere in your project. This is like a package JSON that you already might know. I have some stuff here, but dependencies where you import your dependencies directly from NPM. In this example, I import one named math.js, which you can do math operations with it. You have to run npm install, which will create a folder with the packages, and then the only thing that you have to do to use these packages import math from math.js. Basically, this is ES6 module system. It works almost exactly the same, or probably they haven't finished the development, but it will work the same. So you will find a lot of documentation around. And then I don't know if you are familiar with the tutorial with React or with Meteor, the starter kit. You have like one counter, and now I can use, this math library to make an add. This is not a very complex thing. You can do it easily by yourself, but it's a really important thing, and I will tell you why. There is a few links here if you're interested in this stuff. Basically, this means that you will be able to do whatever you want in Meteor now. You are not constrained anymore by atmosphere packages or anything. You can use React with the package that Meteor gives you, but you can import it as well. You can have the last version of React. You can have Backbone. You can have Angular 2. You can have whatever. You can have Cycle.js. You are not. It doesn't matter what template system you use. You can use, for example, when I started with Meteor, since I am front-end developer, I said, okay, what's going on? Why there is no way to structure the front end of Meteor? Why it's so free? Why I have to do what I have to do? And then I discovered sessions, but it didn't look like a complete solution. And I said, okay, why we can use things like Flux, Redux, and stuff like that really helps you. And with this new feature of Meteor, we will be able to use it. And for me, it will be like, the thing is that, for example, when you are I don't know if you are familiar with Babel and building an SGX application with Redux or whatever, this new cool fancy stuff, but it takes so much boilerplate. It takes like days to have something running, and then you have to use Webpack, home reload, and you have to set up all this by yourself. And Meteor have all this in place, so you just have to import your package, and it will work. You will have home reload. You will have full ES6 integration, so you will have basically everything, and that means that it's a really easy way to have front-end only developers coming to Meteor, and we Meteor developers, we will be able to use any front-end technologies, any of this cool stuff that is coming out, but we couldn't use it because we didn't have this atmosphere package. And well, that's basically it. If you have any question.